Welcome back to our Seated Tai Chi challenge. Today we're going to practice simply sitting. This is a seated meditation where we do nothing. We let things settle. This is a stage in our Qigong practice framework. It can be done by itself. However, it does benefit by all the prior stages, all the prior steps of our Qigong practice framework. It also lets everything settle before we come back to daily life. Let's put this in our Qigong practice framework. Let's practice. We're in a safe place. We feel safe. Safe and sturdy chair. We are changing the state of our mind. We're shifting the state of our mind from busy, disjointed, thinking of many things, focusing very relaxed and loosely in a calm and tranquil manner on just what we're doing right here, right now. Long, slow, deep breaths support that, calming the nervous system. Safe, supported structure. Ergonomic seated position supports our body. Adding positive emotional content. Smiling from the heart. Mindful movement, linking our breath to motion. Let's do lifting water. The hands just float up and float down. Mindful movement. Use your relaxed and focused mind to link your breath. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale, float. Exhale, sink. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Mind is relaxed and focused just on this one thing. Enjoying this movement. Let's let the hands float down. Soften the body, soften the legs, the knees, the hips, the core. Body scan. Let the body drift. Release the tension. Let it go. Let your body drift. Slowly come back. Ergonomic seated position. Our mind has been thinking about just one thing. Now, don't think of anything. Just enjoy this moment. Let everything settle. Quality over quantity. Through practice, we're able to lengthen each step or each stage of this practice framework. And the next stage is coming back with self-applied massage to reintegrate ourselves into daily life. That's tomorrow's exercise. Today, we're just going to rub our hands together. Just for some feeling, to increase some circulation in the hands. Rubbing our hands. Before we go on our way.